Hello kids, today learning 2D shapes kids, shapes drawing and color fill. First color name kids, golden color, green color, orange color, blue color, red color, yellow color. Kids, shapes drawing light green color. Left arrow, left arrow, cloud, heart, rounded square, cube, moon. Kids, color fill, left arrow, green color, green color kids, green color, yellow color kids, cloud, yellow color kids, cloud, yellow color kids, cloud, red color kids, heart, red color kids, heart, golden color kids, golden color kids, rounded square, blue color kids, cube, cube, orange color kids, moon. Kids, shapes name repeat, left arrow, cloud, heart, rounded square, cube, moon. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.